My name is Nikhil and welcome back to today's video of weekly analysis. And as usual, we are going to do analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll see what we can do based on price action, how we can trade, what will be our approach, what will be the trend of our market for the next week. Okay, so if we see Bank Nifty, we were in a sideways trend for like 3 days. Okay, the Tuesday was the last day when the market took a pause after a like price were moving, making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, and on Wednesday again we saw that last breakout structure. On Thursday we had a decent pullback, and on Friday we saw a reversal of that pullback too. That means buyers are protecting the lows here. Okay, now we are heading towards this previous highs, which are 40,000, 40,800, 40,830, and so on. So as we can see, SGX Nifty right now, SGX Nifty has closed around at 117 points, which is 0.68%. So it looks like bearish, but if you look at the price action, okay, we are making like equal highs above. We have a breakout structure. First of all, we should go on a 4-hour time frame. We have a breakout structure, and this is the zone that created a breakout structure. I'm considering this as a valid breakout structure. Why? Because it created an imbalance move. Okay, so I will look for short trade only if this 4-hour demand area doesn't break. Okay, if we are still holding this demand zone, then I'm good to go for long trades, and all the swing highs and lows will be my targets. That is not our point here, but yes, as we are consolidating here, we are making a range here. If we break above 17,300, 17,250, okay, I will suddenly look for long trades. I will waste no time, and obviously I will look for lower time frame confirmation before taking that trade. But if you are a risk taker, if you are a risky trader, you can directly go with that trade with whatever risk reward ratio you have. And this green candle of 4-hour time frame, okay, but technically it's a blue candle, but yes, it's a bullish candle, so that will be my targets, as in 100 to 150 points in Nifty 50 will be my target for if we go if the price goes up with a good impulse move. Okay, and what to do if we break below this low, what we can expect? First of all, it is a clear sign that demand is not in control anymore. Supply has took over the demand zone, and my immediate target will be this swing low. Okay, so this is a 4-hour time frame, so that's why like there is no choppy price action. But if we go on a 1-hour time frame, we have a recent swing low. So as a scalper, we can, or for a partial, we can book at 16,900. So this is SGX Nifty. We are using SGX Nifty just as a hack to predict the move of our Nifty 50. Okay, we will definitely look at Nifty 50 and how we can trade that Nifty 50 trade. Okay, let's come back to Bank Nifty. Okay, so I am avoiding the previous price action right now because that's of no use. So we get decent information at current price action itself. Okay, so yeah, 1-hour time frame, we have a breakout structure, okay, with a good impulse move. Now if I want to go short, obviously that will be after a break of this low. Okay, but that is too far. Let's go on to 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame, there was a last red candle. Okay, I consider that as an order block. If you break this order block, still what I am going to consider here. See, if you look at previous price action, the logic behind the long trade I took yesterday was that price was respecting this order block. Why? Because we had a breakout structure. So price is clearly making higher highs and higher lows. Okay. So if price wants to continue going up, it has to respect this order block zone. Okay. And if you go on a lower time frame, this thing is already been mitigated. If you can see that we have wicked that uh, block, so we can expect a deeper pullback of that zone. It can be a liquidity sweep too. So yes, now let's look at the internal structure of that particular area. So we created an order block, then price also created a fair value gap. Okay, price tested that fair value gap and then price went up from there. Okay, so that zone has already been mitigated, and then again we have a breakout structure here. With that breakout structure, price created a order block zone. Okay, so according to SGX Nifty, if we open gap now, okay, so in Bank Nifty, if you open gap down, price should go below 39,400. Okay, but 5 minute is not an ideal time frame to look at the reversals. Okay, obviously you have to look for multiple time frames to check your key points, POIs. Okay, so here I am choosing 15-minute time frame to say that if I want to look for reversal, it has to break 39,300 instead of 39,500. Okay, I can also look for 1 minute time frame. Okay, if you are a scalper, I can look for 1 minute time frame and look for recent swing low to break. Okay, trade like this. So your target will be basically the next demand. So here you can take multiple trades at one single time. The only thing is that you have to make sure that whichever POI you are marking should be an accurate one, because you are going to trade those POIs. Okay, and every POIs is going to be respected, right? So it can be a minor pullback from that POI, that doesn't matter, but it should be there. Okay, so this was the logic behind Bank Nifty. And yes, once we get our entry on a lower time frame on this demand zone, 5 minute demand zone, I will target those swing highs and the previous day high of Wednesday. Okay, so this was the trade on Bank Nifty. Let's look at Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 had a decent run as compared to Bank Nifty, but as compared to Bank Nifty, we took a lot of as compared to Nifty, we took a lot of trade on Bank Nifty because the trend was strong there and the price action was also clear. Let's come to 1 hour time frame. So if you only look at the price action, you can clearly see that we are forming a base. Okay, we are forming a base. So we had a drop base. So either price will rally or it will drop. Okay, we had a liquidity sweep. Why I'm calling it as a liquidity sweep? Because if price wants to continue going down right now, it has to respect this area, this swing high. We have already tested the swing high, price failed to make a new lower low. Okay, price failed to make a new lower low. So if it has to continue, if price continues to go up, then 17,000, sorry, this swing low is a clear sign that if price breaks to below this low, then it will change and we may continue the bearish move. But inside this we have a change of character. Okay, so I'm definitely looking for long trades until and unless obviously we see some price action that indicates us a reversal trade. And yes, these are the levels which I'll be looking if we are long. So here there is no enough space, like we have like 50 points of a trade. So if you want to achieve bigger targets on Nifty 50, wait for it to break above 17,200, and then we have 200 100 to 150 point target shows the upside with this opening range of Monday price action. Okay, and if we rejects from this previous swing high, okay, or this swing high, then we'll go on to 15-minute demand zone, look for short trade from those swing highs, and we'll see how it reacts to this 15-minute order block. Okay, if you want to refine it a bit, so this area has already been mitigated, just like Bank Nifty, with a imbalance filled, a fair value gap. This is a 5-minute time frame. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's it for today, and hope you like that like this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for weekly contents. Thank you so much.